Have you ever thought, man, if I just hit the lottery, or if I was a millionaire or a billionaire, my life would be good? But here's a question that came to me, which I think is actually quite fascinating when you think about it. If you are a millionaire or you're financially stable, where you can pass on a substantial amount of money to your family after you're gone, do you really need life insurance? So listen, if you don't know the answer to this question, this video is for you. Listen, so for those of you that don't know me, my name's Lucretia, and my whole goal is honestly just to protect families from out-of-pocket costs and other expenses for a funeral. This is also known as life insurance. So how I'm able to help families is that I focus heavily on the education of life insurance, not so much on what I'm selling. They both work together, but my emphasis is to make sure people understand their options so they can make an informed decision. So this is a question, and I never really thought about it until I seen this situation. But if you're a millionaire or a billionaire or whatever, and you know you got more than enough income to provide for a funeral if you were to pass away, do you really need life insurance? The answer may surprise you, because I know most people are probably saying, no, you don't. But I'm going to play devil's advocate here and say, absolutely, you need life insurance. And I'm going to tell you why. So if you are a millionaire and you have lots of assets and you've got more than enough money to pay for a funeral, which is the main reason why most people will get life insurance, right, is to make sure that their family is protected. Well, there have been situations where a person is a millionaire, and you know what's one of the first things they do when somebody passes? Outside of verifying that they're dead, they will freeze all of their accounts. So there was a situation with the Cash App guy, the guy who invented Cash App, right? He was a millionaire. He had lots of money in the bank. However, the money got frozen and nobody had access to it because he didn't have life insurance. So in the case of having life insurance, what it does is make sure that all of those expenses for a funeral get paid, and then whatever they signed up for with the life insurance, that money goes to the beneficiary or beneficiaries that they've put down on paper. That way, even if your money is frozen for a certain period of time, you have life insurance money that is guaranteed to come to your family tax-free. So the way that I heard somebody say it, in the last 30 seconds of your life, you want to make sure that your family is protected and that they receive a tax-free check. That's money that cannot be taken by the government. And that's why life insurance is what I like to tell people, one of the best kept secrets, because people that profit from life insurance understand how to use it.